Where? Is it?
Hi everyone, I'm Nicole and I'm with the cast of
Ghosting Part
Okay, so for today's video, magta-translation challenge tayo and okay, are you ready?
2. I'm born ready.
Wow. First, maganda ba ang panahon ngayon?
Is the weather very nice?
Okay, next. Para po.
Pullover.
Pullover. Oh, tama yan, pullover.
Okay.
Bawal magkamali yan.
Okay, next. Ganun ba?
Is it really that?
Is it? I mean, is it? Then it's up to it's.
Sorry, nag-lag po yung Barbie doll.
One more.
Ganun ba?
Madudulin. Lalabas talaga yan.
Is it? Ayun na. Depende sa sentence. Lalabas talaga kabobohan.
Ito, pang ilan ka sa magkakapatid?
Ay, alam.
In the round of 3, how are you? Where are you?
In which order are you in the... Yeah, siblinghood. Oh.
Ano yan sa TikTok eh?
Go.
In your sibling? Where? Where?
Buti pa multo, nagpaparamdam.
Good for the ghost. Good for the ghost. It's giving me feelings.
Ang hindi marunong lumingon sa pinanggalingan, hindi makakarating sa paroroonan.
Easy.
Okay?
Stiff neck? ikaw. Nakakapagpabagabag naman?
It's bothering.
Hello everybody, we are inviting you all to watch Ghosting Part 2 exclusively on
I want!
Sawadee Ka!